Hi everyone, let's solve this nice algebra problem together. X plus y equal to 24, xy equal to 48. We want to find the value of x and the value of y. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution. We have x plus y equal to 24 and xy equal to 48. Let us consider this first equation. If we move y to the right hand side, this becomes x equal to 24 minus y. The next thing we have to do now is to replace this particular x with 24 minus y. So let us do that. Doing that, we have 24 minus y times y equal to 48. Let's open this bracket. 24 times y, 24y minus y times y minus y square equal to 48. Let's continue. This implies that rearranging this equation, we have y square minus 24y plus 48 equal to 0. You will see that this is a quadratic equation and we can solve it using quadratic formula. So let's solve it using quadratic formula, which is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. From this equation, it is obvious a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 24, and c is equals to 48. Those are the values of the constants. So plugging these constants here, y equal to minus, what is b? B is negative 24. Negative 24 plus or minus the square root of b square, that will be minus 24 all squared minus 4. What is a? A is 1 into 1 into, what is c? C is 48. Let's continue. Everything divided by 2 into the value of a, that is simply 1. We have 1. Y equal to minus times minus 24, that is plus 24, plus or minus square root of. If you plug this into your calculator, minus 24 all squared, that is 576 minus 4 times 1 times 48, that is 192. Let's continue. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. We have y equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 192. If you plug that into your calculator, we have 384 divided by 2. Y is equal to 24 plus or minus. Let's consider this entity. 384 could be written as 64 times 6 divided by, this is square root, divided by 2. We have y equal to 24 plus or minus. We can rewrite this guy as square root of 64 times square root of 6. That is, using this identity, let's say we have square root of a times b. This equal to square root of a times square root of b. Let's continue. Everything divided by 2. Y equal to 24 plus or minus. What is square root of 64? That is simply 8 times square root of 6 divided by what? 2. Let's proceed further. Y equal to, we can do something at this numerator. Let us factor out 2. So that will be 2 into 12 plus or minus 4 times square root of 6. That is 2 times 2 times 12. That is 24. 2 times 4. That is 8. Let's continue. Divided by 2. Y is now equal to, clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with 12 plus or minus 4 root 6. This implies that y is either equal to 12, considering this positive sign, we have plus 4 root 6, or y is equal to, considering this negative sign, we have 12 minus 4 root 6. You will see that we have two values for y. They are distinct. So let us use these two values to obtain the value of x. So since we already know that x is equals to 24 minus y. So considering this value of y first, when y is equals to this 12 plus 4 root 6. So our aim is just to find x here. We have x equal to 24 minus, in place of y, we write this. That will be 12 plus 4 root 6. X equal to 24. Minus times 12, minus 12. Minus times 4 root 6, minus 4 root 6. X equal 24 minus 12. That is simply 12 minus 4 root 6. That means when x is 12 minus 4 root 6, the value of y is 12 plus 4 root 6. Let us put that in a mathematical statement. X comma y equal to, x is 12 minus 4 root 6, and y is what? 12 plus 4 root 6. 12 plus 4 root 6. This is the first solution. Now, let's consider the other value of y, this guy. Y equals to 12 minus 4 root 6. When y is equals to 12 minus 4 root 6, 12 minus 4 root 6. Plugging this value of y here also, to obtain the value of x. We have x equal to 24 minus 12 minus 4 root 6. X equal to 24 minus times 12, minus 12, Minus sign is minus, that is plus 4 root 6. Clearly, x equal to 24 minus 12, that is 12, plus, this is plus 4 root 6. That means x comma y is equals to, when x is 12 plus 4 root 6, the value of y is 12 minus 4 root 6. 12 minus 4 root 6. This is the second solution. Therefore, all the solutions that we have, x comma y is equals to the set of, the first solution is 12 minus 4 root 6, comma 12 plus 4 root 6. And the second solution is what we have here, 12 plus 4 root 6, comma 12 minus 4 root 6. Square brackets. This is the required solution. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this live session video. Please share your tips and please tell me if this video was helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.